Hi there, this is Linda Jo Martin. This is my Adventures in Creativity channel, and I wanted to show you my bullet journals. This is the one that I used in 2018. It is a time for every purpose. I bought it at a Christian bookstore in Coeur d'Alene, and I found out it's made by this company, Ellie. And I actually wrote to these people asking them if they had any other bullet journals because I liked this one so much. I mean, it was a lot of fun last year. So they actually do have other bullet journals, and this is the one that I got for this year. It's called All Good Things, made by the same company, Ellie. And this bullet journal, I really like it because it has an index area at the beginning, and the pages are really thick, so I can use my fountain pens on them without any bleed through, and I really like that. So the pages are numbered. That's really helpful. And so today is my second week of using this one, actually. And last week I just did a simple scroll around the edge. And this week I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to put down a line of Mildliner. Let's do pink. And then I'll do the scroll on top of the Mildliner. So that's part one, and then the scroll is going to be done with a Uni-Ball Signo silver pen. Trying to keep it simple. I'm calling it a scroll. It's just basically loops that I make. Once in a while I put two together. Remember, my motto is no perfection needed. Just do it. Doesn't matter if you go off the pink line. Doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. It's just going to be a little thing that I use for a week, and it's going to be something fun to look at when I open my bullet journal. And that's it. I don't know whether to call it a loop or a scroll. Maybe a loop with the loop. I'll call it a silver loop the loop border. And that's it for my bullet journal border video this week. Hope you're having a good week, and talk to you another time. Bye.